Hey girl, we're in my favorite place, the bathroom. I'm just unwinding for the evening and it's been a long day. Like, it's been such a long day. I started my period today and it's already been, it's been a whirlwind, because when I tell you, I didn't even realize it was coming. And then when I realized it was coming is when I got it. You know what I'm trying to say? I woke up and then I went to the bathroom and I was like, oh, okay, so we have an interruption. I went to bed with a headache the other day, and then yesterday I was cooking some food and I had gotten so like overstimulated, and the food, it smelled so weird, you guys. It was like the weirdest thing, so whatever. That's how I knew that I was starting my period, but it's okay. So I am about to take all of this makeup off, and I want to show you like what I've been doing to my brows, because honestly I started doing my brows a little bit different and I really like them. I've been plucking them and I also started dyeing them. Have you heard of like the beard for men? But I've been putting on my brows and I really recommend it if you want to like dye your brows too, because I feel like it just really enhances my look when my brows are a little bit darker, because my natural hair color is like a sandy brown. It's like lighter than this, so I'm gonna show you. Recently I made a switch over and I started washing my face with the Dial soap. This Dial soap has been like really helping getting rid of my acne. I feel like I've been having so many flare-ups and I was like, I just want to cut out what I was using before, just for now, not for forever, and then just wash my face with the Dial soap. So let's take this off. I've been going in with this Prequel. I really like it a lot. It just helps me to get and melt off all this makeup.
Okay, you make it hard to talk about you. Like what I see, so
I typically like to go in with a warm rag because I feel like it just helps me to really get all of the makeup off. I know like sometimes people, they be using their hands, but me personally, I like to use a rag to just like get whatever, especially with these lashes, because I just put these lashes on and I didn't want them to come off or mess up, because these are actually the brand Honeyx or whatever. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but I really like them. You just have to put them on and you don't need any glue or anything, but still like they honestly like won't last you if you like are putting water on them, you know what I mean? I already be getting flare-ups and I'm honestly really glad that I am using Dial soap right now while I have my period, because my skin be breaking out so bad. Like I be needing it, so bad. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I made some tea. This is some ashwagandha tea, but it's still very hot. You can literally see the steam. I'm gonna do the Naturopathica Sweet Cherry Brightening Enzyme Peel. I haven't done this mask in a while and I don't really care for the smell, but I love the color. It's so pretty.
okay, you make it hard.
I just finished putting the mask on, so now I'm gonna brush my teeth and we're gonna do a little teeth treatment. I've been loving doing this and I feel like it's really made all the difference with my like teeth, the brightness. I used to do this when I was younger. I remember my brother, he was like, you need to put like the Crest White strips on because your teeth are not getting white. But I was like, okay, calm down. So restocked on the Crest White strips. These are some of my favorite. I think it's definitely one of those things like, you know, people can overlook, like not whitening their teeth, but it never hurts to add a Crest White strip on, and it really makes the difference. Like it's one of those small little things. You're like, oh, like my teeth look whiter. I feel just better about myself. Oh, let me show you what I be using. So I love to just go in with floss first. This is the Oral-B satin floss, and I'll just take a like little strip of this and clean the teeth up.
Like what I see, so I'm working my move. You give me butterflies. You the one for the mother guys. At the start, I told a couple lies, but after that, I swear I really tried. Cut the real about my past niggas, and I hope you never think.
Oh my god, y'all, my face feels so refreshed. I like clean skin. I be wearing makeup so much. Like I wear makeup every single day for real, especially like with work and stuff. So having like a clean face just feels unreal. I do have a few like dark marks that I really need to get rid of, but one thing about it, my skin is so sensitive. So like if I pop one pimple, or even if I don't pop it and it's just really under the skin, when I tell you, my skin is gonna scar every single time. So I've been trying to be delicate with it, but it's just like it'll just pop up out of nowhere. For the crest white strips, I be using 2 of them like that. I'm gonna show you what I'll do. For instance, we're gonna start with the long strip. Oops, like that. So I'm gonna start in like the back of my mouth, if that makes sense. Yeah, like back there. Like that. So I literally stopped like right here. Then for this short strip, I'm gonna start it right here on this tooth. Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Aquaphor. The teeth strips are in. So I'm gonna tell Alexa to set a timer for like 30 minutes, and that's just how long I leave them on for. I don't leave them on for no longer than that. I like to do full pack at the top, full pack at the bottom, because I don't like to leave any teeth behind. Like I don't want to like have a side tooth that look yellow. That's just me. So I like to go in and cover all the way, and I just talk a little funny. It's kind of like I have retainers in, but this is what works for me. We're gonna go in the next room to touch up these brows. Okay, so we back at the vanity, and I'm about to show you how I do my brows, because yeah, this is what I be using just for men, mustache and beard. And I swear, ever since I saw this, I said, okay, doing this for me definitely makes like my brows just look much more pronounced. So first I'm gonna just start by plucking any extra hairs. So it comes with this little tray. I've done this once before, and then it also comes with this little brush right here. So with me, you just do a little bit of both of these and then mix them together. I did too much last time, so I'm gonna literally add like a dollop, because my hair, I don't have a lot of brow hair, so I don't need a lot. It just has to be like the same amount. It's so fun because it's really like a little science experiment, and I feel like, yeah, it just be turning out really good. So we're gonna mix it up like that, and that's how I be looking. Why am I nervous to do it? Like, hello? Okay, now it's on, so I'm about to clean it up with a toothpick, or what's it called? A Q-tip? They're already getting darker, I can tell. Okay, so while that's going on, let's shave our face. Yeah, I have this hair jar of razors, and we can pick a color. I just finished taking the beard dye off my brows, and they look really good. Only thing about it is sometimes it like stays on your skin where it's like not supposed to be, but I'm gonna just try my best to clean it up as much as possible. It's not time just yet to take off our like white strips, so we about to do our nighttime skincare. So tonight is retinol night. So I've been using this retinol serum. It's actually from Trader Joe's. All right, so now we about to add on this ordinary organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil.
You got potential.
Now I'm gonna add on my moisturizer. So I like to go in with the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Honestly, I'm still learning about skincare, so my routine is pretty basic.
A few niggas ride it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Eat the Glock party, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah.
Okay, I think it's time to take the Crest white strips off, so we're gonna take them off. This part is pretty nasty, so cover your eyes. This is the final result of taking off the Crest white strips. I feel like they look really good. Sometimes though, like I'll look at my teeth and I'm just like, ugh, they could be whiter. But honestly, like it's really a process. And yeah, I think like slow progress is the best. And it's really like saves you money, because I mean I've gotten my teeth professionally whitened, but honestly Crest white strips are one of my favorite things since I haven't gone back to get like my teeth like whitened again. And honestly, just like keeping up with myself all in all feels really good, especially like as a woman. I think it's really important to like take care of yourself, because anytime like I was feeling down, if I'm just like taking care of myself and doing like little things like self-love practices, I feel so good after. There's never been a minute that like after I got my brows done, got my nails done, did my hair, I was like, ugh, like I just don't feel as good or whatever. Like I always feel so much better. And it'd be little easy ways to be like forgetting to take care of yourself, you know what I mean? And that's just like one of those things, is like just taking your time. And even if you're super tired, like doing one little like self-care thing or something to just really help your night, you know what I mean? Because the next day you're gonna look at something and be like, okay, period, did my face mask, did this, did that. And I saw this one creator on TikTok was talking about it. She was like, anytime she like deep cleans her house, she has on her robe, she does a face mask, and she does a hair mask. And honestly, that's so smart. I'm gonna honestly start doing that, because there's been so many times I love to do like my reset routines on Sunday, like just cleaning up the house. And I also know I need to be like deep conditioning my scalp, and you know, having like my teeth whitening and just all of like those little things. I feel like that's a great way to have a stack. And I genuinely love just like feeling good and just feeling like prepared for, you know, the week. So yes, do something for yourself, make yourself feel like a princess, because you're definitely a princess and you deserve it. Also, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing content like this. Yeah, because I want to give you guys more videos like this. So love you so much, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.